Hello everyone, welcome to Flamboyant Flavors. I am Reena and in this video I'm going to show you how to make delicious lentil soup. It's a classic vegetarian soup recipe. It's hearty, healthy, and perfect for fall and winter. So let's check out the recipe. But be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos. To make lentil soup in Instant Pot, I have 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of minced garlic, 1 small diced potato, half cup of celery finely chopped, 3/4 cup of diced carrots, 1 cup diced white onion, half teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of tomato paste, 1 cup of dry red lentils, and 4 cups of vegetable broth. And for tempering, I'm going to use 1 teaspoon of smoked pepper powder and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Alright, I have my Instant Pot ready and I'm going to put the Instant Pot on saute mode. Add 2 tablespoons of olive oil into the Instant Pot and let the oil heat up. Once the oil is hot, add diced onion and give this a mix. Saute onions for a couple of minutes and then add minced garlic. Lentil soup is so easy to make in Instant Pot and it's ready in no time and it's perfect for weeknight's dinner. After a couple of minutes of sauteing onions and garlic, add diced carrots and celery. Saute everything for a couple more minutes. And if you think that the garlic is sticking at the bottom of the pot, just use a splash of water so it doesn't stick anymore. Hey, if you're new to my channel, welcome. Please subscribe so you don't miss out new videos I post and don't forget to hit the like button down below. Now it's time to add red lentils into the Instant Pot, but be sure to wash and rinse it before adding. Add small diced potato, all the seasonings, there is salt, pepper and cumin. Don't forget to add a tablespoon of tomato paste. Now give it a mix. Now I'm going to dump in the whole pack of vegetable broth, which is about 4 cups. And give this a quick stir. Now close the Instant Pot. Turn off the saute mode. Put the Instant Pot on manual mode for 3 minutes. Once the Instant Pot goes off, let it naturally release the pressure, which will be about 17 minutes. And then open the lid. You can see that the red lentils are nicely done. And now I'm going to use my immersion blender to blend everything and make it into lentil soup. And hey, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. It doesn't take anything from you, but it does help me and my channel to grow. Alright, lentil soup is ready. It looks so creamy and it's so tempting. Let me take it out in a bowl and let's do tempering. For tempering, in a small pan, add 2 tablespoons of olive oil and let the oil heat up. Once the oil is hot, add 1 teaspoon of smoked pepper powder and immediately pour it onto the soup. I'm going to garnish with some oregano. This is totally optional. You can also use cilantro or parsley to garnish your soup. Lentil soup is ready. It's perfect for weeknight dinners. Serve it with some pita bread and it's a full meal. I hope you like this recipe video and do give it a try. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos I post, and don't forget to hit the like button down below. Please leave a comment if you have any suggestions, and thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.